Imagine you need to process streaming data in real time and store the results in an Azure Cosmos DB database. How would you design a pipeline in Azure Data Factory to efficiently handle the continuous data stream and ensure it is correctly stored and indexed in the destination database?
Here are the steps to design a pipeline in Azure Data Factory to efficiently handle streaming data and store it in an Azure Cosmos DB database. 1. Set up an Azure Event Hub or Azure IoT Hub as the data source to receive the streaming data. 2. Use Azure Stream Analytics to process and transform the data in real time using Stream Analytics queries. 3. Write the transformed data to a Cosmos DB collection as an output of the Stream Analytics job. 4. Optimize query performance by configuring appropriate indexing policies for the Cosmos DB collection. 5. Monitor the pipeline for issues using Azure Data Factory's monitoring and diagnostic features, such as alerts and logs.